this, it will never, it's already staying really nice. Okay, so this what I applied. So I'm gonna show you the cap, the lid on it, which is I'm using. It's really thick density, just in case you are curious what I'm using. Condensed glue gel to encap this cute, and it's not gonna go anywhere. And this, which is, oh, hold on, condensed glue gel, and it's really thick density. Like it's not gonna go anywhere, but stay in the pot and it lasts for a long time. Glitz for encapsulating glitter, all the stickers, Trendy Sticker, newest one, and crystal placement, flat back 3D. So no wipe top coat. This will completely finish after you apply this one on. And so you don't have to worry about like go over and top coat on the top of the crystal, which is this case we don't have to worry because we have super cute. Oh, I like that. Okay, we have cute. You can put a big one. I think this one is super duper cute. She's huge, she's big, she's a queen bee. I would make like, place her right here. You can place her a little bit up and down, but just right here if you want to. And this might be too big, but I think I'm using one of it already. You could use it in this one. No, there's one of them. Can I get one of that? I want to borrow this here, my designer bag right there. I think I have it in here. Where's that? Right here. If you don't want to, you're completely totally fine. You don't have to. Just want something right here, but not too much. It's gonna cover the queue. All right, you happy with her now? We'll put her in under the LED lamp for 60 seconds. She's so beautiful, like you can do with any color underneath. I would think it doesn't have to be traditional colors as the beige, brown, but be your own creations. They're just beautiful. Like this one is similar look. You can put Louis, you can put whatever in there. And I know this is so cute, right? What cut is just super cute. I got that in way, and my nails, the other ones, they are this one, but it's kind of a retro gold. I used both of them on my thumb, and I think a while ago. So it's one of it, but this one is stunning because imagine it, they're using this one, and then there's a little bee too. If you're using in silver theme, so silver theme, it could be really trendy as well, and you can use that on the silver. I'm just gonna place them right here so you can see an idea of what you can do. So cool. And then all you can do this bright silver, or it's kind of a, whatever you prefer. All right, so she's so cute and she's beautiful over here. We are going to using as pre-season glue to just double secure because she still have a wing hang up right there. I'm gonna doing it using a pre-season glue. This will help so much better. And so that's why the clients won't feel it's catching on their clothes, their hair. Happy Friday, Saturday. I was like, what? Saturdays, that time flies so fast. You know, I think our cameramans, well, how do you, when you put it in, it's lying off.
Did it move?
Yep, see that?
Keep it straight though. Yeah.
Because I think when I give it to him and he like tilt it like this.
Well, I guess you learned one way not to do it.
No, because when it happened like that, you know what? I'm so OCD and I don't like it when it happened like this with clients that move from one hand to the other. And I try not to. Look at that. Condensed glue gel. It's not supposed to, but it's not gonna come off.
Yes, it's like Instagram also. Kitty.
Look, so here's the thing. What is that? Always when you tell the clients to go in under the lines, and we tell the client, please do not move and don't tear your nails. Keep your hands straight. So what happened is the cameraman helped me place it, and he's like this, right? So it slide off, and I'm so mad. And I tried using clipper. I didn't force it yet, but it's gonna come off if I want to. But in the meantime, I just want to show you a technique. I don't like it when someone mess up my designs, and I'm so OCD. I don't know if anybody related like that. But me, I am going to cure the baby bees first, and I'm gonna deal with this bar in a minute. Okay. Look, who else gonna doing it? Like, if you don't pay attention, you don't seeing it. But me, I got it right away. 60-second cure for my bee first, and then I will fix that bars. Thank you, Whitney. Hi, Alma. Oh, Ebony nails, you're the same way too, sweetie. Like, it's so OCD, me like that. Like I said, oh, I can't let you leave the salon yet because I need to fix this. Because either if you go home, I can't sleep. It's just crazy. It's just me. Hi, Shiny Claus. The Glam Girl, how long does a condensed glue gel approximately last? The condensed glue gel lasts good up from between 3 weeks to 6 weeks, and is really depend on how properly you curing it. Like for instance, if the LED lamp is not full charged, or if the bulb is dying, or it was reached almost 5,000 hours of curing, is not gonna have full power of curing at all, and it would affect of the curing on the charm chains and crystals. Hello Tammy, how are you? This one is all done, and don't worry about this because otherwise I'm gonna mess these nails up. Because I think when I give it and lay on flat, I'm watching my clients. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go and watching you, and then she's gonna place flat in. Don't let them tilt, because all of everything, like especially is just the metallics is kind of a little bit heavier than it's just like a plastics. It's not in the plastic, so that's why it can slide really fast if we don't pay attention. Yes, Kitty is live on Instagram as well, sweetie. All right, so this one nails is done. It's really cool, simple, and that is for cute stickers and all that stuff that if you need to, because this is special for all of you who is doing cool and curious about doing stickers.